Here we are at Fabspeed. Here we are at Fabspeed Motorsport. We've got the Maxflo muffler system with the Fabspeed tips on in this 2002 996. It's a 4.5-inch oval tip, just like the factory 1998 to 2001. Maxflo mufflers, fully engraved on the side. 2.25-inch tubing going in the muffler. 2.5 in, 2.5 out. Half the back pressure factory. 8 to 10 horsepower. You can reuse your factory tips, or you can use the factory Porsche tips on all Fabspeed systems for the 996. Now we're going to go out for a sound bite and do a video. Here we are at Fabspeed Motorsport with a 2002-2003 996 with the Maxflo exhaust system on there. Customers elected to use the factory Porsche tips. Complies with warranty, complies with emissions, 8 to 10 horsepower for this car. And they're the factory tips. We buffed them out for them on the 996. All Fabspeed 996 systems except the factory tips. There's the muffler. And you can see the logo engraved on it. All heavy-duty stainless steel compared to GHL, B&B, or anybody else's brand. Ultimate quality, super strong, never cracks or splits. Bolts right up to the catalytic converters. Lifetime warranty. Now we're going to take it out for a sound check, sound bite on this beautiful Carrera. Fabspeed Maxflo muffler system for the 996, all cars 1999 to 2004. This is a 2002-2003 car with factory tips with our mufflers. Throaty and sporty, complies with warranty, complies with emissions. Sounds great. Third gear, high speed acceleration. Normal cruising. Very quiet, mild, but throaty. Not too loud when you're not on it. Perfect for every day. Very aggressive and sporty when you're on the power. High-speed acceleration drive-by. Sounds great when you're on the gas. That was third gear, high-speed acceleration. Acceleration run and downshifting. System's throaty and sporty, not too loud when you're not on it, but when you go up hard through the gears, it makes music. High-tech 4-valve sound that's throaty and deep. Not too loud for every day, but when you're hard on the gas, the car sounds great, and you'll be looking for underpasses, overhangs, and things like that. No resonance whatsoever.